Create a shared Google Drive folder for your students to be able to drop in their videos or any other files that they need to create. First thing you need to do is go to Google, make sure you're logged in through your school district credentials, and then go to the waffle and go to your Google Drive. In your Google Drive, you're going to want to create a folder to share with your students. So go to New and Folder, and we're just going to call this one Video Files. Create that folder. And now that one shows up in my list. So here are my Google Drive folders. Video files. So to share this with my students, I'm going to right click on that folder. I'm going to go to the share option. And rather than type in names of students or email addresses for students, I'm going to hit the advanced button. And right now this folder is private. Only you can access this folder. So if I go to the change button, I can change this with on anyone with at Central Dauphin School District with a link. That would require the students to log in through their district credentials. You could also choose on anyone with the link, which would make it easier. Then the students wouldn't need to log on with their district credentials. So you decide which one you'd want. I'm going to pick on with the link. Now when you choose this, you can then choose the access that students can either only view this folder, or we can change it to add, can organize, add, or edit, which is what you're going to want to do so students can drop video files into that folder. Now they do not have access to your entire Google Drive, they only have access to this folder. So all the students with the link will be able to add, edit, or organize items in that folder. So then we're going to hit save. Now the only disadvantage with this is students can go in and view other students' items in this folder. That's the only disadvantage with them. So you just have to keep an eye on it and make sure that nobody's messing with anybody else's stuff. Okay, so this would be the link that you need to share with your students. So if I right click, I'm going to copy that link, hit done, and now I could go to whichever Canvas course I'd want to work with, edit the page, or if you're working with modules, put in a module link with that link to the folder that students would be able to access it, and then they'll be able to copy their contents right into that folder.